Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Neha. As HPSC PGT exam is just few days away now and I stand in open air, I'm reminded of one of the most influential writer, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an important Anglo-Indian writer who is still writing. He has been using his pen from past 6 decades. Born in the year 1934, Bond has retrieved his writing skills and he has been writing for decades now. Ruskin Bond, the writings of Ruskin Bond testimonies from the very fact that he has been awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan Award. For his first novel, The Room on the Roof, he has won the Joan Rice Award. Yes, being of British descent, he tried to settle down in England also. But the call of Dehra's trees, animals, and the people, the sense of belonging was so strong that he has to come back to India to settle here forever. And today he lives in Landore, Mussoorie. And from there, he has been using his pen and has written over 500 stories. He has also written memoirs. He has also written many autobiographical books like Looking for Rainbow, Scenes from a Writer's Life, The Beauty of All My Days. He has won Sahitya Academy Award for his short story collection Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. Now, from the HPSC PGT perspective, the question that comes in our mind when we think of Ruskin Bond is the importance of his writings from the perspective of nostalgia, from the perspective of belonging, and from the perspective of his being an Anglo-Indian writer. He could have easily settled down in the English Isle, but he did not do so because he was born here, brought up here, he has lived in Ambala, in Kasauli, in Mussoorie. And he was very sure from the very teenage that if there is one thing that he could do is writing, and that he has been practicing for decades now. And if we look at the writings of Ruskin Bond, we can see the character Rusty. एक था Rusty, दूरदर्शन पर भी आया है. Ruskin Bond's story, Susanna's Seven Husbands, has been adapted as a movie by Vishal Bhardwaj with the name Saath Khoon Maaf. And his story, The Blue Umbrella, also won many prizes. Ruskin Bond's childhood was marred by the separation of his parents, and as a result of which he himself said, I grew up when I was barely 10. While other children grow up in their teenage, I grew up when I was barely 10. Because his childhood was marred, his writings are primarily autobiographical, and his autobiographies show that Rusty is truly the incarnation of the writings of Ruskin Bond, of the life of Ruskin Bond. So if you are studying Ruskin Bond for HPSC PGT exam, mind you, the themes of nostalgia for childhood, the themes of sense of belonging to trees. He considered trees as his family members, as his father. He was very much attached to his father, and the fatherly sense, the fatherly union he found in the arms of the trees. Not only parents, he starved for the love of grandparents also, and his stories reflect each of his emotions. His writings are imaginative. They showcase his love for nature, and they showcase the sense of belonging he has for Indian people, for hill people, and for children here. Ruskin Bond must be read, and if you are preparing for this upcoming exam, I tell you, you should understand his writings by a number of stories. Our trees still grow in Dehra, the walnut tree, the blue umbrella. Ruskin Bond is truly an Indian writer, but there has always been, you can always sense a sense of nostalgia, sense of belonging and the sense of reverence and respect he has even from Indian or Hindu religious places like Vrindavan and Haridwar. So when you study Ruskin Bond, make sure you study the themes of belonging and nostalgia and his reverence for nature. Not while other writers they are writing about protest and revolts, he is one of those writers who is writing in very simple language but talking about the issues, the basic moral values that we should imbue in our children. He talks about deforestation, he talks about afforestation, and also pollution, and also hunting. The leopard is one of those stories that you should read in order to know the perspective of our beloved writer Ruskin Bond. And Ruskin Bond, like any other student of literature, has to be my favorite also, because I completed my doctorate and my selected writer was Ruskin Bond, and the title of my thesis was Child in Ruskin Bond's Selected Works. And you can surely read that thesis on Shodh Ganga. With that, I come to the end of this video, but in this open air, I felt like talking about him since our exam is just days away now. And as you prepare, I wish you all the very best. Thank you.